Hi, I'm Bruce Miller, VP of Enterprise Marketing for Cambium Networks. We're here today to introduce the new outdoor Wi-Fi 6 access point, the XV2-2T. It has outstanding range and performance. This solution is hardened for outdoor use in any types of harsh environments. It has a very efficient antenna design, and we're going to demonstrate that today, showing the range of the product. We will be testing against the Meraki MR76 and the Ruckus T350C access points.
Hi, I'm Gary Hansen, Engineering Director of System Test and Integration for Cambium Networks. We've been testing our Wi-Fi 6 outdoor access point from 0 meters all the way out to 1 kilometer. It uses high gain antennas with up to 9 dB of antenna gain. Also, the radiating elements are separated from the electronics. This provides a full 360 degrees of omnidirectional coverage and minimizes wireless nulls. Plus, this access point uses a dual slant polarization design, allowing for much more efficient signal at the client device. And this is important because client devices are not normally oriented exactly vertical or horizontal. All right, now let's begin our test. At 350 meters is where we see the first of the competitor's APs drop off. At 400 meters is where we see the second competitor's AP drop off. Between 400 meters and 1 kilometer is where you clearly see the Cambium AP smokes the competitors. And these are just some of the reasons why you see the Cambium access point has such incredible range and performance.
We saw some truly outstanding test results here today. This chart shows an example of how range translates to coverage. With a range of twice as much, you actually get 4 times the coverage. So you can see, comparing the chart on the left to the right, you need 1/4 the number of access points on the right to cover the same area. In addition to less equipment, Cambium's price point is also significantly lower than the competitive solutions, and that's what this chart shows, where you see a total cost of ownership over 5 years of nearly half of the other solutions. So great range is nice to talk about, but what does this really translate to? Less equipment, less cabling, less installation time, lower maintenance and management costs over time, and that dramatically reduces the total cost of ownership of the solution over the lifetime of the product. For educational and business campuses, the solution is perfect for extending the indoor network outside for people that are moving between buildings or congregating outdoors. For outdoor public venues such as stadiums, racetracks, or concert venues, the solution is perfect for connecting large numbers of people. Not only does the product have superior range, but also high capacity, supporting over 1 gigabit of total throughput and able to connect hundreds of users. In public Wi-Fi scenarios and municipal environments, the solution can be mounted on light poles or on the side of buildings to cover large areas of the city. And with its superior range, can penetrate further into buildings to cover people inside. For temporary events, the solution is ideal as it features an integrated design with internal antennas and an integrated controller. The solution can be deployed very quickly and easily for these types of scenarios. Cambium's outdoor Wi-Fi 6 solution can be combined with Cambium's complete line of outdoor backhaul and distribution solutions to create an end-to-end wireless fabric. This solution matches up very well with Cambium's cnWave 60 gigahertz solution for Wi-Fi backhaul. cnWave supports up to 10 gigabits per second or more of backhaul capacity and ultimately provides a significant savings over fiber or cable solutions. This is yet another example of the outstanding RF innovations from Cambium Networks.